What best describes you as a creator? Are you a teacher, a parent, a student, a hobbyist, an actor, an entertainer, an artist, a group leader, a project manager, a decorator, a house spouse, retired, or someone else? If you relate to any of these things, you've come to the right place. Welcome. My name is Rozani, and I enjoy teaching the art of papier mâché through instructional videos. My papier mâché techniques use liquid starch with different types of paper, and the process allows you to explore a variety of project possibilities that might fit in with your particular interest. Create something just for the fun of it. Here's how. Choose a topic with your preferred theme from my channel playlists. It's that easy. I also offer more detailed online digital workshops that feature custom tutorials made to order through my Etsy shop, and that link is in the description. So if you're new to my channel, please let me know if I can help you and ask me any questions. I want to thank you all for being here with me, and I hope to see you next time. And keep on creating. Bye for now.